Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0602 represents a critical error associated with the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, programming process in the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. The PCM serves as the brain of the vehicle's engine control system, managing various engine functions, such as fuel delivery, ignition timing, and emissions control. In this instance, the error occurs when the PCM's program update is interrupted, leading to potential malfunctions. The programming error signifies that the PCM did not complete its last update cycle successfully. The crucial aspect of this error is that it can illuminate the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, and trigger both pending and confirmed DTCs in the vehicle's memory. Understanding the inner workings of the PCM and the causes of interruptions in the update process is essential for effective troubleshooting. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in reducing future occurrences of DTC P0602 or similar issues. Regular software updates on the PCM are crucial. Keeping the vehicle's programming current ensures optimal functionality. Moreover, it is essential to check the battery health periodically, as a failing battery can disrupt the PCM's ability to perform updates correctly. Inspecting wiring and connectors regularly for wear and corrosion is equally important to maintain a reliable electrical connection. Encouraging the owner of the vehicle to adhere to a consistent maintenance schedule can significantly minimize the risk of programming errors. Proactive measures such as these can safeguard the vehicle's performance and reduce repair costs in the long run. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0602 is essential for maintaining the performance and reliability of the Honda Accord 2012 to 2017 models. The Powertrain Control Module plays a critical role in engine operations, and interruptions during programming can lead to significant issues, as highlighted by this error code. It is vital for technicians and drivers alike to monitor program updates regularly and ensure proper power supply to prevent programming errors. Comprehensive verification of repairs following a DTC P0602 diagnosis can facilitate robust PCM functionality. By implementing preventive maintenance strategies and being vigilant about updates and connections, we can ensure the vehicle continues to operate smoothly. Addressing such faults promptly contributes not only to vehicle longevity, but also to overall driving safety and satisfaction. DTC P0602 indicates a failure during the PCM program update process, particularly highlighting issues like an interrupted update. The PCM is designed to hold two distinct types of programs: an update-capable program that handles the vehicle's operational controls, and a non-updatable program related to essential functions. When the PCM is powered off during an updating procedure, the entire update halts, resulting in a programming error. Specifically, for the engine type K24W1, this signifies that the malfunction arises from the control programs responsible for engine functions. The PCM's firmware must be correctly written for optimal vehicle functionality, and if it doesn't complete correctly, as indicated by the DTC, it may lead to performance issues. The troubleshooting process seeks to address these interruptions and get the PCM functioning correctly again. The potential causes of DTC P0602 begin primarily with the possibility of the PCM program being unwritten. This situation typically occurs when there is an unexpected power interruption during the programming update, thereby preventing the program from fully deploying. Additionally, hardware issues within the PCM itself can lead to failures in program writing or retaining updated information. For instance, if the PCM has defective components or connections, it may be unable to accept or finish the updates correctly. Additionally, other external factors such as low battery voltage or inconsistent power supply during the update process can exacerbate the issue, making thorough inspection essential to pinpoint the exact cause. A vehicle affected by DTC P0602 will typically display certain symptoms that are crucial for identifying its presence. The most prominent indicator is the illumination of the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, on the dashboard, which serves as an initial warning sign to the driver. Additionally, upon scanning the PCM, multiple DTCs, including both pending and confirmed codes, will be recorded in memory, indicating that the programming error has occurred. These stored codes can provide further diagnostic details. Beyond these indicators, drivers may experience various engine performance issues, such as stalling, reduced efficiency, or irregular idling as a consequence of the PCM's failure to execute its control tasks. Identifying these symptoms early can expedite the troubleshooting process. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0602 is to conduct a thorough scan of the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system using a professional scanning tool. Begin by verifying that DTC P0602 is the only code present, checking for any additional DTCs that may indicate concurrent issues related to the PCM or other systems. By understanding the complete picture, the technician can determine if the P0602 is an isolated error or part of a more complex problem. During this process, ensure that the scanning tool is updated and functioning correctly, as using an outdated tool could potentially miss other emerging issues. Once confirmed, document all DTCs for further analysis and develop a troubleshooting plan based on the findings. The next step involves assessing the status of any recent PCM program updates. This includes inspecting whether the update process was completed as expected, or if any interruptions occurred due to power loss. This is crucial as the DTC P0602 signifies an incomplete programming sequence. Review the vehicle's service history to identify any recent updates and confirm whether any potential interruptions may have transpired. Additionally, check the power supply during the updates. Any fluctuations or interruptions in the power source may lead to the programmable state becoming corrupted. By fully understanding the update timeline and status, the technician can better gauge the steps needed to rectify the programming issue. Inspecting the power supply to the PCM is critical in resolving DTC P0602. Begin by checking the battery voltage to ensure that it is within the acceptable range, as low voltage can contribute to programming failures during updates. Using a multimeter, assess the voltage levels across the PCM power circuits, ensuring that they are delivering consistent and adequate power. Additionally, examine the wiring harness and connectors for any signs of looseness, corrosion, or damage that could hinder effective power delivery to the PCM. If any issues are found, these should be rectified before proceeding with additional troubleshooting steps. Maintaining a reliable power supply is vital for the proper functioning of the PCM and its ability to complete programming tasks. Once power supply issues have been addressed, proceed to reprogram the PCM using the manufacturer's recommended software. This software is specifically designed to ensure the PCM receives the necessary updates and that these updates are applied correctly. It is vital to follow precise reprogramming guidelines to avoid encountering the same error again. During the reprogramming process, monitor for any failures or interruptions, as these could signal underlying hardware problems or external factors affecting the PCM. After the reprogramming is performed, it is crucial to confirm successful completion by conducting a subsequent diagnostic scan to ensure that DTC P0602 does not reappear. Properly executed reprogramming can restore normal functionality to the engine control systems. To confirm that the repairs have been successful regarding DTC P0602, the next step is to clear the stored DTCs from the PCM. After erasing the codes, it's essential to conduct a road test to evaluate the vehicle's performance under real-world conditions. During this test drive, monitor various functions to ensure that the PCM is effectively managing engine operations without any hiccups. After completing the road test, check if the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, reactivates. If it stays off, the repair is considered successful. Additionally, you may rescan the PCM to verify that no persistent or new DTCs emerge. This process serves as a comprehensive method of ensuring that the initial programming error is effectively resolved. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.